Claim Tesco Clubcard points. In this video I will show you how to claim Tesco Clubcard points. So this is you need to follow a couple of steps. Now step 1, open the Tesco app or website first. Open the Tesco Clubcard app on your phone or visit the Tesco website as long in your accounts. Now step number 2, check your points balance. Next, tap on Clubcard icon at the bottom of the page. Here you can see your current points balance and any available vouchers you have. Step number 3, claim your points at checkout. So when you are shopping in store, simply scan your digital club cards in the Tesco app, or use your physical club card at checkout to earn points automatically. Step number 4, claim points online. For online purchases, make sure you are logged into your Tesco account before checking out. Your club card points will be added automatically when you complete your purchase. Step number 5, redeem your points for vouchers. Narration. Once you have collected enough points, you can redeem them for vouchers in the Tesco Clubcard app. Go to vouchers, select the one you want, and tap use online or scan in store or claim your reward. So this is how to claim Tesco Clubcard points. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.